students, welcome to the class. Now before I show you today's clock, I hope you remember my classroom rule, that is speak in English. I am giving you a reminder every day so that you will follow this rule. So here goes our today's clock. Today, first I am going to give you a very short recall of chapter 3rd, that is the rhinos. And then we will discuss question answers 1 to 4, page 23rd and 25 of your seasons book. I repeat, seasons book. You can pause the video, get ready with your seasons book, okay? Next, I will be giving you an assignment and the last will be the summary. Now let's have a recall of this first before we start with the question answers. Here there were two baby rhinos, and as they were very small, they were looking for their mother. But they could not find their mother. Now you must be knowing where is their mother is, yes? And what happened next? The rhino marshals took the baby rhinos to the Ruth, that she is a girl. And what is a place where she used to take care of those rhinos? That is called boma. There the Ruth took the care of baby rhinos very nicely, and then later they came to know that their mother has been killed by the poachers. Yes, so they lost their mother forever. Now who told all these story? There is an elder rhino who said all these story to the baby rhinos and the Ruth. Now let's do classwork. Book seasons. As I said to you before also, it's from the seasons book, page 23rd. It's a classwork you are going to do with me only, okay? Question first. State whether the following sentences are true or false. A. The baby rhinos went to the water hole and found their mother. False. How I have written full spelling? In the same way you have to write the full spelling. F-A-L-S-E. False. Next, the rhinos felt down after they felt a sting on their back. True. T-R-U-E. First letter should be capital. Next, Ruth took care of the rhinos. True. Ruth is a girl. R-U-T-H. Okay? True. Next, the rhino marshals caught animals by laying trap for them. False. Because rhino marshals, they were used to take care of the rhinos. So it's false. They were the poachers who caught animals laying trap for them. Next, E. The mother of Mandy and Mandiqui was killed by poachers. True. T-R-U-E. True. Again on the same page 23rd, it's a classwork. Question 2. What is the question? Here are words and phrases describing the place or the characters in the story. We have to name them. So first, this is where animals are sent for safety. And what is that place called? Boma. B-O-M-A. B should be capital. Next, B. She was like a mother to abundant animals. So here who was that girl? She is Ruth. R-U-T-H. She was a girl who used to take care of the animals. Next, C. He boasted that he was a superwoman. And who is that here? Answer is strong man from the east. Next, D. He knew what had happened to the parents of the calves. And who was that? He was elder rhino. E-L-D-E-R. Elder rhino. R-H-I-N-O. Rhino. Next, they cut off their horns of rhinos. And who were they? They were the people who wanted to be strong. Write in very good handwriting. You have to write on this page only. In here only you have to write. Okay, no need to write in the notebook. Next. Next is chapter 3rd, rhinos. We are going to discuss the new words. I repeat, discuss. Now no need to write. I will be giving you this as an assignment. So just discuss with me, okay? First, huddle. H-U-D-D-L-E. Huddle means to stay together, okay, close. Next, edge. EDGE. Edge means at the corner. Next, shuffle. SHUFFLE. Shuffle means to move from here to there. Next, anxious. ANXIOUS. Anxious means worried. And who were worried here? The baby rhinos. Next, sting. STING. It's a needle-like feeling, okay, pointed. Next, immediately. IMMEDIATELY. Immediately, that means on the spot. Next, trap. 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 Next, rescue. RESCUE. Rescue means to save someone. Rescue. Next, defeat. 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 Next, challenge. 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 Now here goes your question answers. I repeat, no need to write. Later I'll give you this as an assignment. I'll show you in written also. Read the lines and answer the questions that follow. Now what is a line? Where are we? Now this is a line. Now related to this line there are some questions. First, who said this? Now this line, who said this? Answer, Mandy said this. Okay, are you getting? I hope you are getting. Next, where were they? Now who is they here? Mandy and Mandiqui. So answer, they were in a boma. Next, who brought them there and why? Answer, rhino marshals brought them there to be taken care of because their mother had been killed by poachers. So who brought them to the boma? They were rhino marshals. They brought them to the boma so that Ruth can take care of them. Next, B. Now he walked with a limp. Now this is again a line. Now related to this line some questions are being asked. First question, who is he? Answer, an elder rhino. Now do you remember when they were with Ruth, there walked an elder rhino and then only he said all the story about the poachers. So he is elder rhino. Next, why did he walk with a limp? Now who is he? Elder rhino. So they are asking why he walked with a limp. Answer is, he walked with a limp because his foot was caught in a trap laid by poachers. So that's why he could not walk properly, that is limp. Next, why is he important for the story? Answer, he is important for the story because from him we came to know that the plight of the rhinos hunted by poachers. Because here he is important in the story. As you know, he was the animal who said the story behind the poachers. Now here goes the question answers. A. Whom were the young rhinos looking for? Now you know this answer. The young rhinos were looking for their mother. Okay, students, you can write your own answers also. Okay. Next, why did the rhinos fall down? Answer, the rhinos fell down because rhino marshals shot them with a medicine that made them fall asleep. Next, why did the rhino feel safe with Ruth? Answer, the rhinos felt safe with Ruth because she took care of them and was gentle with them. That means the Ruth used to take very good care of the rhinos. So they were missing their mother and she took very good care of them. So that's why they felt safe with Ruth. Why are adult rhinos poached by hunters? Adult rhinos are poached by hunters for their horns. Next, what happened to the rhinos after their horns were cut off? After their horns were cut off, the rhinos were left to die and be eaten by vultures and other animals. You know here why the poachers used to why the poachers wanted rhinos' horns? Because they heard a story from the strong man. He used to say, I used to take the horns of the rhinos and make powder of it, and I used to add in my food, and I became very strong. So poachers decided we also will become strong. So that's why they wanted to hunt the rhinos for their horns. Now students, here goes your last classwork for today. It's on page 24. Let's build words. In that, first, compound words. If you remember, we have done this before also. What are compound words? When two words are joined together, they are called compound words. For example, many words are made by joining two words. Such words are called compound words. For example, head is a word and light is a word. And headlight is also a word. When I join head plus light, so headlight is also a word. So headlight is a compound word because two words are joined together. In the same way, they are saying match the words in the two columns to make a new words. Now friend. Friend is a word, okay. From here, if I choose ship, so friendship. Friendship is a word. So where third is written in the B column, you have to write there A. Next, T-E-A, tea. Tea is a word and cup is a word. So, teacup is a word. So, where is fourth is written, write there B. Next, pen and knife. Pen knife is what? Cutter you say that. Okay, so pen knife is a word. So, write there, where fifth is written in the B column, write there C. Next, D. Lamp. And can you see a post? Lamp post. It's a word. So where in the B column first is written, right there D. Next is light. And from the B column house. Lighthouse. You have heard this word, right? So where in the B column house is written, right there E. Next book. And in the B column second mark is written. So write there F, bookmark. Next, mile. And in the B column, eighth one, stone, milestone. So where eighth is there, write there G. And the last, card. And here, board is written, cardboard. In the B column board, you can see, there write H, cardboard. With here, we end our today's class. Now let me show your assignment. Now here goes your assignment and time limit is 15 minutes. Chapter 3rd, that is the rhinos, you have to write new words and question answers. Third and fourth, what we have discussed while seeing the video. You have to write in your E1 notebook. I repeat, tough words, that is new words, and the question answers. Question 3rd and question 4th. You have to write this in your E1 notebook. So last, we are just going to see what classwork we have done and what will be the homework. Initial, I just gave you a short recall of the chapter 3rd, that is the rhinos, and then we have discussed questions 1 to 4 from the seasons and the new words also. And then we did let's build words question first. And for homework, you have to write the new words and question 3rd and 4th in your notebook.